Among our group of camping friends, one of the best parts of an RV trip is the campsite cooking. In our crowd, in addition to eating to survive, of course, the cooking is right up there on our fun activities list. We've had wonderful meals of all kinds in camp and are always looking for something new to try with our family and friends. But what if you're in camp and you have a fierce craving for a really good pizza, and the nearest pizza delivery service is hours away? Now, thanks to our viewer Susan Cruzel, who passed along a great recipe idea, we have a campsite pizza solution. The best part is it uses a Dutch oven, and we're big fans of Dutch ovens, so this idea is right in line with our favorite campsite cooking techniques. Susan is a viewer and Rollin' on TV Facebook group member, and as soon as she passed along her Dutch oven pizza recipe, we knew we had to try it. So with no further appetite-enhancing delay, let's get started. The project starts with a standard Lodge 12-inch Dutch oven, which I believe is a 6-quart, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Only what we do is turn it upside down. And the lid becomes our pizza pan. We're going to put a little bit of canola oil spray on it, just to make sure nothing gets sticky. And what sort of dough is that we're using, Pam?
It's rosemary dough, pizza dough.
Okay.
And
this is pre-made pizza dough from our local fancy grocery store, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Even though it's a little bit persnickety.
It's a little cool, so. Okay, so we're going to start with some tomato sauce as a base.
This is just about spread out now.
Oh, looks awesome.
So, start with some tomato sauce. Mm-hmm. Standard ragu. Okay, looks good. And what's next then? Meat or? What goes on next? The meat?
I would do the meat.
Okay. Next up, some kind of sliced, chopped up ham. A bit there, a bit there.
And if you want to get the bell pepper ready, I'll finish up with the onions and mushrooms.
Yeah. Okay. And we'll...
I like those nice and thick.
Yep. We got nice, thick sliced tomatoes, chunks of orange bell pepper for a little bit of color, some cheese.
I think we can save some of these tomatoes.
Possibly, yeah. Okay, yeah.
And I'll open this if you want to get the olives on.
All right, next up some olives here and there. See how this is going to work. Have no idea how all these flavors are going to combine together, but we'll take a look. Give it a try.
I think this
could be worse.
Mozzarella.
Got a bunch of coals on the bottom for the lid, and we'll kind of put on these metal trivets. The oven part goes on.
Perfect fit, of course, because it's the lid.
We'll put the remaining coals that we have here up on top. Get those spread out with the coals distributed. Pam, what are you setting the timer for?
13 minutes
13 minutes.
Which would be about half of a medium pizza.
Half a medium, okay. Well, we'll get it checked out here in a few minutes then, see how it's doing. And the cheese is melting, and it's smelling pretty good. The dough is puffing up. I can't tell you exactly how many coals to use, top and bottom. A lot of that depends on the thickness of the pizza, the size of the pan. This one is what Lodge calls its 12-inch pan. It's kind of something you pretty much have to learn by trial and error or happy practice, which always results in something really good to eat. It's about time to check the crust underneath. How's it look?
Beautiful.
Looks good? Okay, let me set this down. First, this comes off. All right, Pam, give that a try. We'll slide this guy over. And, ooh, hey, made it all in one piece. How about that? Now that we have your appetite fired up, we'll show you the rest of the Dutch Oven Pizza project after these commercial messages. Stay tuned to Rollin' On TV.
Wow, am I glad I used Aquacam. Maybe chili wasn't the best idea.
Aquacam, the most powerful odor control available and the #1 seller for over 50 years.
Welcome back to Rollin' On TV. We love our campsite cooking. In a new twist, our Dutch Oven Pizza project is coming along nicely, and we're excited to get to the good part. All right, it looks great so far. Throw a little
Black
what,
pepper?
Okay. Would you like to do the honors?
Yes, I would.
Okay. Still pretty hot and liquid. We're going to have to wait until that solidifies a little and cools down before we can risk eating that.
A lot of cheese.
Yep. I think it'll do the trick. Not bad for a first time.
Nope. Extra. Oh, I have to cut that a little.
There we go. All right. That looks terrific.
Okay.
Success. What do you think?
So good. Baked all the way through.
Cooked all the way through? Everything's done? Wonderful. Yeah, it's pretty tasty. Susan, thank you very much for your inspiration and idea for this Dutch oven pizza. This is definitely something that we're going to be taking with us along with our other Dutch oven recipes the next time we're out camping. So,
Cheers.
cheers.
Thank you.